Hello there. My name is Thomas Kosgei. I'm the CEO and founder at Intelligent RX. Our mission here is to really make prescriptions more affordable for everyone. And we do this by providing coupons and discounts that are used at the pharmacy to make prescriptions more affordable and save money. So I started this company in 2019 after what I ran into while working at a pharmacy. So I'm a pharmacist by training. I've been a pharmacist for more than 10 years with some experience working at CVS as a pharmacist and then also a pharmacy manager. And then I also did work for 2 years as in pharmacy benefit management. So in 2019, while I was working at CVS, there was this lady who came to pick up a prescription for her son who had asthma. And she came to the counter, and I went and I brought the prescription to her, and I looked at it, and it looks like no insurance had been applied on that prescription. So I told her that without insurance, that prescription would be $65, and she was actually picking up an asthma inhaler. So she told me that she didn't have any insurance, and she had been laid off 3 months prior to us meeting that day. And when I told her that, she actually started tearing up when I told her that it was going to be $65. And she told me that she had to have the prescription because her son was having trouble breathing. So, that moment took me back, and I just told her, give me a couple of minutes, let me try to apply several discounts that I knew and see if I could lower the price down, but I didn't know how much I could bring it down. So I went back and I applied several coupons that I knew, and I was able to bring that prescription down to $18. And when I paged her back to the pharmacy and I told her how much it was going to cost, she was very, very happy about it. And she told me that if she would have had to pay $65 for that prescription, she would have actually had to go without groceries for the rest of the week. And that actually hit me. And I spent the next 9 months doing some research on why prescriptions were so expensive, especially for people that were uninsured, people who don't have insurance, or people on Medicare whenever they want a donut hole. And that's when I ended up actually starting this company to see if we can help more people save money and make prescriptions more affordable. So it's really easy to use our website. You don't even need to sign up or such. Uh, and all someone really has to do is come in here and punch in the name of their prescription and hit search. So there's actually a very similar company that's well known. It's called GoodRx that does exactly the same thing. And we actually do two things differently than they do. So we actually provide much lower prices than them, and then we also are friendly to the pharmacy. So the way we make money is we make money by charging the pharmacy a transaction fee. And with what we do is we charge the pharmacies a very, very minimal transaction fee to be able to provide this service to everyone. And we actually do have a GoodRx comparison page. So if you come to our website and you want to compare our prices with GoodRx, all someone has to do is just hit that, and then you can actually just type the medication name here, or you can scroll to the bottom, and we have several medications here that we are comparing ourselves to them, and we do provide lower prices than GoodRx almost 65% of the time, but it kind of varies from one pharmacy to another one. You can see here for this common medication, atorvastatin, at Kroger, our price is 9.41, while at GoodRx price is 36. At CVS, it's 16 versus 30. So we provide much, much lower prices than them. So you could, if you wanna get your prescription at CVS, you just need to click uh, that, or you can actually just type it up here, whereby you just type in the prescription name, and actually using atorvastatin here, which is the most commonly prescribed medication used to lower cholesterol. And if you just click that and then you hit, it will do a search here, and I'm gonna update the zip code here to our zip code here, and you'll notice that it's just gonna provide you local pharmacies. At Costco, you would pay $7 for this prescription. At Hy-Vee, you would pay $8. At CVS, you would pay 16. So if you decide to get this medication at Costco, you would just need to hit get coupon, and then you would present this to the staff there and be able to pay $7 for 30 tablets of this drug. You could email this to yourself, text it to yourself, or download it and save it and use it at a different time. The only thing to note is that prescription prices vary wildly from one pharmacy to another one. And this is what you can see here on our website. And they also do vary different, on different days as well. So our recommendation is, if you're picking up a prescription, just check it that day before you go to the pharmacy. And you could call the pharmacy and give them this information, and they would just process your prescription using this, or you could just present it while you're going to pick it up. Uh, Thank you.